The Pixeltap team are having a bad launch. So far, there has been a lot of technical issues. If you log on to the mini app that is Pixeltap, you could just get automatically logged out and this will display on the screen. The dashboard has been laggy also. All of these things are clear signs that the devs are having issues from their own end. Okay, so what does this imply? Does this mean this is a scam? I do not think it's a scam. This is a project that has raised about 7.5 million US dollars. It is just that they are handling things the wrong way, or should I say they are kind of not doing this launching the right way. There are a few things you need to know now, a few updates. This is the recent info sent to all Pixeltap ambassadors. Okay, this right here reads: to reach level 10 in Pixeltap or level 100 in the dashboard, a certain number of points is required. If the user does not have the required number of points and has not completed the required tasks, they will not achieve the desired level. So yes, points have always been the most important thing. Without points, no level, and without tasks, no level. I also specify that to be eligible for the airdrop, now this is important, I also specify that to be eligible for the airdrop, you need to be at least level 1. So all fake accounts with level 0 are eliminated. I made videos about how to increase in levels on this channel. I think I made a series of videos, about 2 or 3 of them. Okay, I hope none of you guys are still stuck on level 0. Okay, because if you're on level 0, just forget about the airdrop, you ain't getting anything. Okay, but that's not the end of the road. You know, there are a lot of projects out there. Okay, welcome to DeFi. This is how it happens. Sometimes you can engage with a project, at the end of the day you will not get anything, and sometimes you could just engage and make money. Okay, a lot of people made money from Notecoin. It will not always be like that. Okay, most projects that would launch badly, and most times you will get little or nothing. Okay, so the game or the mindset when it comes to airdrops in the DeFi space is to keep pushing. Okay, when you get something out of it, well, you rejoice to your bank. If you don't get anything, then you buckle up and continue with the next project, because someday you will surely participate in the right project and make money. Okay, so that's pretty much the way this works. Okay, so as it stands, some people will not be getting the airdrop, but at the moment nobody has been able to claim. The dashboard is laggy. The Pixeltap platform is also having technical issues. Okay, so if at the end of the day you do not qualify for an airdrop, all you need to do is to just buckle up, like I said earlier on, face the other projects out there. Okay, and they also continued, people can claim their tokens and NFTs through the dashboard and Pixeltap before July the 25th. So we still have like about a week, guys, for us to understand what is clearly going on. Okay, so this should not discourage you. Okay, so this is the developing story at the moment. If you've got any questions, let's have them in the comments. What do you guys think? Do you think this is going to cook? I uploaded a video the other time explaining their airdrop formula. Okay, once the claim button goes live, if you qualify for the airdrop, if you want to claim immediately, you are going to be getting just 10% of what should have been your total airdrop allocation. So you see, that's a very tricky formula to discourage selling in order to protect the price of the Pixfi token on exchanges. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Airdrops are not the only ways to make money, just that a lot of us are interested in airdrops. There are other good content that I could be dishing out on this channel. Just make sure you're subscribed, okay? And let's see how it rolls.